We have searched all places, but we haven't searched another place. Which is that place? That's a small triangular place on the map. He showed him, indicating it, that where it was coming nearer to their approach. They were going closer to it, to the tomb of Ramses VI, another pharaoh. There, he told his friend, a patron who was financing, to Mr. Carnarvon, it's the last place. After that, we don't know what to do, what we will do, because we have searched the whole area. This is the last place left. Now they have gone inside the tomb. That picture is there. We'll read that later, this part. Now, as he approached his diggings, they were digging, Carter reflected that this looked like a dismal end to his dream. He and his workmen had found nothing but the rubble of huts that had been used by the laborers building the tomb of Ramses. For 3 days they had hacked at the rubble and found nothing. When Carter reached the site, his foreman, Ali, ran over. "We have uncovered a step cut into the ground," he said. Within 2 days, they had cleared a steep staircase that led down to a sealed door. Carter immediately sent a telegram to Carnarvon. "At last, have made wonderful discovery in a valley. In valley's top, a magnificent tomb with seals intact. Stop, recovered. Same for your arrival. Congratulations." The date was November 6th, 1922. Now we'll read this top part and then I'm going to explain. Carter wrote later about his first sight of the inside of the tomb. "At first I could see nothing, the hot air from the chamber causing the candle flames to flicker. But as my eyes grew accustomed to the light, details of the room emerged slowly from the mist. Strange animals, statues and gold, everywhere that glint of gold. For the moment and eternity, for a moment and eternity, it must have seemed to others standing by. I was struck dumb with amazement. And when Lord Carnarvon, unable to stand the suspense any longer, inquired anxiously, 'Can you see anything?' It was all I could do to get out of the words, 'Yes, wonderful things.'" Now what happened is that while they were digging, they were digging into that King Ramesses' tomb, they digged everything, and he was going with his people digging, and they used to have candles and lamps, and they were going, and dust and everything. And he said, "No chance anymore, nothing is going to happen. I have gone so far into it, and there's only this Ramses chamber, and we can't do anything. Loss." Just as he said that, his foreman, in charge of all the workers, there is a foreman. He came running, Ali, and said, we have found one step. One step. In 2 days we'll dig up and see what is there." So they started digging again, and they saw a steep staircase going down, and there's another room, a tomb, Tutankhamun's. And they went in with candles, the gas comes out, the dust comes out, the flame goes flickering and all that, so he was not able to see. As his eyes got adjusted, when you stand in the dark quietly with a little lamp, if you open your eyes and stay quietly open, after some time you can see everything. In a dark room, suddenly the current goes off. You put on the candle, you can't see anything, but if you wait 2 minutes, then slowly you can see everything. Or even if you sit in the dark, put off the lights, after 5 minutes keep your eyes open, then you'll be able to sleep. Once your eyes get set, in those light flickering, the lights are shaking, he's seeing gold everywhere. Gold statues, gold thing, gold pictures, gold inscriptions, all gold, shining. And he wrote this letter, a telegram he sent to, to Carnarvon, saying that in the telegram, what does the telegram say? In the telegram he says, at last have made wonderful discovery in valley. Stop means full stop. A magnificent tomb with seals intact. Everything is same as it is. No one has touched it. Full stop. Recovered same for your arrival. Have been recovered. We have found it out and waiting for you to come. Congratulations. And when they opened in that speech of Carter wrote about his first sight inside the tomb, that everything was shining as gold. When Karnavaram asked him, what do you see? Karnavaram was also surprised. He said, I see beautiful things. It's a wonderful place. So they found Tutankhamun in 1922. This Tutankhamun's gold also on Wikipedia and Google. If you go and see Tutankhamun's gold and you will type Howard Carter, his total information is given about that. So Howard Carter in the year the dynasty pharaoh Tutankhamun in November 1922 judged to be the best preserved the pharaonic tomb ever found in the Valley of Kings, and he had found it. Okay, when he found the king's tomb, he said he did not know whether it was a tomb or merely a cache or a box or something, but he did see a promising sealed doorway between two sentinel statues. There was a door for a king. When Karnavaran asked, can you see anything? Carter replied the famous words, yes, wonderful things. So we'll keep it till there. You also read and get to know the word meanings, learn those word meanings, write it down and learn them and study. In the next class, we'll do the question answers. And if possible, I'll give you a screenshot solving them, the question answers, and put it up on your uploading website, okay? You'll get it in your uploads in my notes. Or I'll take a screenshot and show it to you and make a PDF and give it to you and I'll also tell you some answers which you have to listen from the video and write it down. That will be also very good and helpful, okay? So take care guys, take care of yourself, be good, God bless, and love your parents and respect them. Bye bye.